Hi everyone, my name is Kristin Hayes. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to be showing you this really quick and simple card using some new products out of the upcoming annual catalog. It looks, I think the DSP makes it look a little more complicated than it is, but it's going to be really quick today. So let's get started. We have a piece of thick basic white, and this is cut at 8.5 by 5.5. I scored it at 4 1/4. We'll just give this a nice crease. Excuse the Misty Moonlight ink under my fingers, but my fingers somehow went straight into it. Then I'm going to use the Countryside in DSP. I'm going to show it to you really quickly. This is one of my favorite DSPs of all time, but blue is my favorite color. But you just have the Misty Moonlight, the Night of Navy, boho blue, and balmy blue with some basic white in here. And I just think you've got some bunnies. I love this. I love it. Some birds on this one, but each side has a nice pattern on it. And then you have, you know, the animals on one side too. Just beautiful, beautiful DSP. All right. So let's put that aside. So this piece I have here is cut at 5 1/4 by 4, and we'll just adhere that right to our base. Alrighty. The next piece, if I can find where it went, here it is. This is another piece of the Countryside DSP, and this is cut 4 inches by 1 1/4. So we'll just adhere that right on. Right in the middle here. All right. Now this piece I cut with the scallop contour dies. I already put it through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And these dies are from the annual catalog, but they're continuing into the new annual catalog, which I'm thrilled about because I do use them all the time. All right, let's put, do I have 2 of these? I think I have 2 of the same punch out. Okay, anyways, let me just put this on some dimensionals. I just realized I have 2 of the exact same punch. It looks like my mom is going to get a new punch. I don't know how I did that. Probably I bought one and then bought one in a bundle. I don't know. Anyways, we'll just adhere that to the middle. Then I'm going to do some stamping. Now, this is the stamp set I'm going to be using. It's Circle Sayings. It's in the new annual catalog coming up. And you can see all of these are curved. And there is a coordinating punch that's sold in a bundle. And it's a 2 3/8 inch punch. So the first thing I'm going to do is stamp the Celebrate, Celebrate, Celebrate circle. And I just have a piece of boho blue. This is new color coming up. It's one of the new ink colors. And I'm stamping in Misty Moonlight. There we go. Let's see, I'm missing my basic white piece, but for the happy birthday, but we can cut that again. All right, so I'm just going to punch this out, center this up. Let's see, there we go, and give that a punch. And then let me take a quick peek here for my, I know I cut it, here it is. Okay, so this piece is just basic white, and it's 3 inches by 3/4 of an inch. And we're just going to come in with the Misty Moonlight again. And just stamp right in the middle here. There we go. And then we're just going to use this Happy Labels Pick-a-Punch, which I've just discovered I have 2 of. I don't know how I did that. And I'm just going to slide it in. They have slots for 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. And just make sure it's level at that side. And then we're just going to give this, I got some ink on it. I must have more ink on my fingers. But we'll go with this, and I'll show you how to put it on. But I am going to redo that off camera before I attach it to my card. All right, so then We're going to pop this up on dimensionals. Actually, I don't know if you can see the blue ink on there. We'll put it on and take it from there. So we're going to do Celebrate there. And then on this, we're going to be using, these are the 2003 to 2025 in color dots. And we're going to take the big one here. If it wants to move for me, maybe we'll use this end for the big one here. Whoops. We're just going to put one there and one on this side. And then I'm going to put, did I pop this on dimensionals? I did not. You could. There's already a lot of dimensionals going on though. And then this just goes right in the center of the card, and that's all there is to it. So you can see it came together really quickly, but with all the beautiful DSP, it looks like it took you a little bit more time. So there's our original. Here's the one we made. Thank you so much for your time. All of my links will be listed down below. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks so much.